You asked and we answer. Here's how to tackle park hopping using Disney's new paid Skip the Line service. When you purchase a Lightning Lane MultiPass, you'll be able to choose up to 3 MultiPass experiences and arrival windows all in the same theme park. And it isn't until you redeem one of those selections on the day of your park visit that you can choose another MultiPass experience in the other park. But you'll still need a valid park hopper ticket or an annual pass to do it. So this means that you will not be able to choose Lightning Lanes in advance across different parks. The park hopping feature doesn't activate until you're on property and have used your first selection. We know a lot of new info is coming our way today, but we're here with you guys. Be sure to check out our site for the latest updates.